Good day, gentlemen and ladies. My short Wednesday video will be regarding of what type of video editing that I'm using. I had last week a subscriber asking me what type of video editing I was using. That subscriber is interested to start his channel, so I tell him I will make a video for him. All right. Uh, he write to me on my personal email. My personal email, by the way, it's easy to fix, easy to find. I'm just gonna show it to you. If you look at my channel, I'm just gonna show you my channel right now. If you look at my channel, right at under RCF Power Express, there's the description. Click for more, and then you have my description of my channel, and you have more info. You can see here my address, personal address, email that you can write to me if you have any type of question. I have a few good folks asking me about my Mahindra or various other questions I had over the years. All right, so. Now the video editing that I'm using, I'm just gonna close that for now. It's called Shotcut, all right, and it's right here. Shotcut, 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 all right. And that's the video editing that my best friend Joe from Still to Wood showed to me when I began making video in spring of 2019. I acquired my tractor fall 2018, and that spring 2019, that's when I start my videos, and that will be almost 6 years. Yes, it was spring, like I think it was April or May 2019. So it's not 6 years. We're at 2002. So it's 7 years now. Time go like this. All right. Joe was very an outstanding teacher, mentor, and how to do the video. And over the months, he was giving me more tips. And I also he showed to me then on YouTube. And that's one best thing about that video editing program, all right, platform, is you just write down on a search a Shotcut video editing tutorial, and there's so many videos. Of course, Shotcut do regularly upgrade on their program, small upgrade. You're not gonna be lose or lost in the program. It's just small details that it's always upgrading. All right, it's very useful. And all the there's many YouTube creators specialize on video editing, talking and asking you a question about that, like how you add like any type of question on Shotcut, you'll have it on. It's such a popular video platform, editing platform, that you will find it. All right. On my side, what I do is okay. I have my camera there. I've got another one. This one I didn't. I will talk to you later on. It's a camera that I bought last fall in the production. That will be my designated camera for. It's a GoPro Black 11. All right, with an aluminum frame for Air Force. And I will have various items to stick it inside my Cessna aircraft. All right. Now, so you are basically what the reason why I was talking to you about it is the you make the videos, and for me it's very simple. I create a file right on my desktop. I open the file. I give it a title, like an ID. Sometimes I just put the X as a title, and then later on, as I'm making the video, I will, and then depending on the video, that's the video that I made when my aircraft, the rented aircraft, broke down. So you can see I download all the videos, and sometimes I could be 2 or 3 days and always add up all the videos. And sometimes I don't select. I made the video, but I decide no, I'm not gonna use that setting. All right. So I have all the videos there. All right. Then when everything is finished, download it there, and I have an idea. I will make the video. Then I open the shortcut. And then from a shortcut, I'm gonna open a file looking at the desktop. Then I have already there, and then from there, I'm gonna choose. Let's see if I do. I'm gonna choose the video, and here you can see me at the beginning without any. Then okay, that's a good one. I'm gonna doing like this, and from there, then I go make the video. And I'm not gonna go much, and I'm not gonna show you in detail what I do to like add music, stuff like that. It's such a very well explained on, like I told you, on YouTube. You just if I do okay, if I put shortcut how to put music, how to put music. All right, I'm just gonna do like this. And then how to add audio into shortcut. There's many shortcut tutorial how to add music to your videos. There's so much YouTube creator, and sometimes I don't choose particularly one. I choose the one who best fit my need. I know one here, that gentleman James Ho. He's a great. I can understand. He's not too technical. There's guys like they like to be more complicated, but him I like. There's another one also. Simple Step Guide. He's always. There's one they made video like him is 11 months. This one is 1 month ago. So I will go Brian tutorial. How to add music to your video or slideshow in shortcut. So you choose the one with the version that you have. All right, if you didn't update your version, the last version, you take the one fit. All right. So what I like about shortcut too is when I made the video, all right, if I go in my garbage bin, I it make let me try. I'm gonna find the one clearing snow. Oh, it was on the file. Yeah, when you save the video, all right, I'm just gonna go back there. Here the video it appeared. That's the one. If I decide to re-edit it, I completely finished the video. I was ready to post it on YouTube, and you know how to do that, YouTube creator. Well, I can reopen that file. All right, I just do it right in front of you. Shortcut, and then it's gonna show me the video that I done. Remember, like here I've got the email, give you the thing, and the thing here. Now suppose like on that video I didn't put, I completely forgot to put please subscribe to my channel in various way. I like to not to be boring about that. I like to make you fun, all right, to make you laugh. But I completely forgot, but it was already posted on YouTube, so I didn't want to delete and lose that time. But if I want to add it, I just have to click that icon. There's two icons. The one who was already, the video was already made. If I look at my I save everything is saved, all my videos I save it into a hard drive, an external hard drive. All my videos are in there, all right. But this one, I don't save it because it's already been published, all right. I only save the videos. And the neat thing about it, all right, about shortcut is it's upgrading itself, like I already told you. It's a very useful way to find it. It's there's also it's free. Yeah, that's another thing, and it doesn't need a very powerful computer. All right, so that it is my subject of my video, what I'm using for my video editing. All right, of course I've got that type of computer. There's other folks with I don't know what Apple computer, or I don't know. I know you know what I mean. So I just that was for answering that gentleman who wants to make video, and like I get the great strength, and that's Joe told me at the beginning. I said, yeah, you can have a lot of support from YouTube. YouTube, it's like a technical reference library for everything, and you have various version of it. All right, now. If I go back to my channel, okay, the nice thing about Shotcut is it's a very well recognized platform. Works for me. I've been using on 2 different computer, and it worked very well with Windows. All right. I don't remember what type of Windows I have. That one is in 2021. I know it's about to change now. I will have to do an upgrade. And yes, so thank you very kindly for all your standing support, comment, and also helping each other. All right, it's a vital factor about that tractor outstanding tractor community is helping each other. All right, and encourage folks to if they want to make videos. My personal goal, I remember. Even before I met Joe, I was commenting a lot of on technical aspect of tractor, and the folks were asking me, said, Dave, if I don't remember, it was my good friend Mike at Grumpy Workshop, that outstanding Nova Scotian, said, David, you should do videos back in 2018 or 17, and I was kind of shy about that. And then I met Joe, and then he was encouraged me to make videos. For me, that's how I start. The reason I start to do video, but the main reason is also to see the evolution, to keep my English speaking skills. And now that I am growing up, and also Marie-Ange is growing up, it's seeing ourselves, and that will make also good memories for Marie-Ange later on in life, seeing her working with her dad and everything, and so on and so forth. And also my good puppy dogs. Sometimes I miss them. I go see videos of them on YouTube. Remember when Scott and Ruby was here, when he wasn't, they were in Shefford with me. Also the trip and everything. There's various items. I miss Shefford too. It was a beautiful land. I had 1.5 acre at one. I had almost 3 acre on at one point, and then it was 1.5, and then I had access to many land. So yeah. All right, so that's my personal reason why I make videos, and also it's a great travel way. Like we exchange from folks that go south and in Europe with the Garden Tractor Boy. There's Jan Kotz in South Africa with doing various fixing and repair. He work in the aviation world too. So yeah. All right, folks. So again, thank you very kindly for subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate the push. Like I told you, is my goal is to reach 2,000 subscribers, and also to exchange information. So take care of yourself. All right, and remember, folks. Really remember that life is very good. Spring is in the air. All right, hang on. Yeah, I know you get a big snow dump in the East Coast. But at least the land is it's not gonna be dry. You have plenty of water, so less forest fire, definitely. All right. Cheers.